This is my video demonstrating the functionality of pickups in my game. So you can see my pickups here. I have just like a rotated cube mesh, and when I collide with it, I gain 5 score. I added a nice glowing yellow material to it, and my score persisted between the levels, as you can see there. Oh, I lost. If I hit replay, my score resets, and I can start again, blah, blah, blah. So, I can quickly show the material. I created a material emissive base, which is just an emissive material with a multiplier in it, like that. And then I created an instance of that, and I set the color to yellow, and the emissive strength to 50. So then in my blueprint, I just set it up by having a mesh that is set for no collisions and a collision sphere, just because I prefer working that way so I can have the collision separate. Because I have the mesh floating a little bit above the ground, and I have the collision closer to the ground. And there's nothing in terms of actual like code going on, but I do have a value integer, which is set to be instance editable. And this is where all the magic happens. So on component begin overlap, I moved this to be before everything, just for my sake. And then I try to cast to endpoint, and if it's not the endpoint, so the cast failed, I try to cast to pickup, and if it is a pickup, I set the player score, which is a new variable, a new integer I created. I set that to the player score plus the value of the target, and the value is, of course, this integer right here. So by default, that's set to 5. And then it just destroys the target, which is the thing we collided with, which is the pickup. And then in the HUD, I just changed this macro to be from getting the position and dividing it and doing all that stuff to just getting the player score from the player and returning it.